Hello Power Fam. Today's video is special as it's a collaboration with Meena. She's going to be telling you the art of summarizing.
Hello. What is a summary? Main points. Summary is defined as a quick or short review of what happened. How to write it. To summarize, you must read a passage closely, finding the main ideas and supporting ideas. Then you must briefly write down those ideas in a few sentences or a paragraph. Do you want some examples of summary? Well, it's right at your book. See, at the back of the books there is a summary of that book. Highlight it first and then write it. You can highlight some main points and keywords. Later construct your sentences. Just imagine it as telling a story from a thick book to someone. Will you be able to tell the whole story? No. It will take you ages. Then what do? You tell it briefly. Exactly. Same goes to summary. It's a brief explanation in written form. I am keep telling you to pick out the main points. But how exactly you know what are main points? What Understand this carefully. Write main points of a story and ask your friend or anyone to go through it. See if they can predict what will happen in the story using only the main points that you have wrote. If they can, you've done a great job. If they can't, you need more practice and you'll master it. Why should we learn how to summarize? Besides, it is important for your academics. It will be important in your professional life too. Imagine you want to send an email and you have a rush to go somewhere or you have a lot to do. You can write a nice quick email because you have learned the art of summarizing and eliminating unnecessary things. Now you've sent the email and saved up your time. Thank you and please subscribe Power Topics for more educational videos.